During the height of the Cold War, one man may have saved the world from nuclear disaster. Armed with nothing but a typewriter and courage, his name was Oleg Penkovsky, a high-ranking Soviet officer who secretly spied for the West. Hiding a miniature camera inside a typewriter case, he smuggled out over 5,000 pages of top-secret Soviet military documents. His intelligence revealed that the Soviet missiles in Cuba were not yet operational, giving the U.S. just enough leverage to avoid a full-blown nuclear war during the Cuban Missile Crisis. Though Penkovsky was eventually caught and executed in 1963, many believe his actions prevented World War III, one man, one typewriter, and possibly the greatest act of espionage in modern history.